This is a great addition to my living room in the corner near some great lighting from the window. It's a great place to hang out and read. Pun intended. I added a throw blanket after the pictures. You will need to purchase a hanging kit separately, so make sure you do that. I love this chair so much better than the hammock chair I got, and it's not hard to get in and out if it like I thought it would be. I think if I get the cushion for it, it will be much better than just regular pillows that I have for it right now, but overall I think I love it. Love it. Love how airy it makes my space feel. A little worried that the rope for the seat will keep the shape of being sat in, so I'll have to bug a faux sheepskin to help with that. Otherwise super happy to have gone with the beige. Sturdy, great color and quality. Very comfortable. It's fun to sit in and read, and really dresses up the clothesline pole. Comfortable enough without pillows, but might add later. Love it. Got another one. My 8-year-old loves her swing. She decorates it by herself. She loves to read on her swing in her room. Sturdy and pretty. I'm 5'9" and about 190 pounds and have no issues with the size. Click link in description for more reviews.